Tonight, an I-Team exclusive. A pregnant Cape Cod woman and her family demanding answers.
They are outraged over a disturbing voicemail message from a healthcare provider. Chief investigative reporter Cheryl Fiandaca has their story.
That's all there's going to be is giggling.
Newlyweds Alicia and John Kravitz couldn't be happier. The couple just celebrated her 29th birthday, and they're having a baby.
Very exciting.
To be sure the baby is healthy, Alicia's doctor ordered an ultrasound for her at Premier Ultrasound Services in West Yarmouth. To set up the test, an employee left Alicia this voicemail message.
Hi, this call is for Alicia. It's Premier Diagnostics, trying to get you scheduled for an ultrasound. So I'll look forward to your call. Thanks.
But that wasn't the end of the call.
I heard more to the message that wasn't intended to be there.
Why the are these people getting pregnant? Autistic, ADHD, prosthetic eye, getting pregnant.
What did you think when you heard it?
She's judging me. It was her telling me that I essentially should not be having children with my diagnosis. How can somebody even say that about somebody they've never met before? How can you make that kind of a judgment of what kind of person somebody is without ever meeting them?
Alicia immediately called her husband.
I was mad. I left work as soon as I heard about it. Grabbed her phone and went down there to confront her. So I was not happy. And the way she handled it was completely, irresponsible. It was ridiculous.
John says the female employee refused to give her name or let him speak with the supervisor. Instead, the same woman left Alicia a second voicemail message.
Oh, hi, Alicia. It's Premier Diagnostics. Your husband was just in. I apologize for the voicemail earlier. I was just commenting to a coworker about the chart, which we do many times. We would love to have you come in, and I would like to see you come in hopefully tomorrow. So if you could give me a call back, thank you.
A so-called apology message, which is basically her covering her own butt to try and make it so that I'd come in and forget it ever happened.
And what did you think about that?
That's never gonna happen.
Alicia contacted the I-Team, and after we contacted Premier Ultrasound Services, the company's CEO took immediate action. He fired the employee who left the message and apologized to Alicia and her family. In a letter to employees, he said Premier expects every employee to adhere to the highest standards of job performance and personal conduct. Any employee unable or unwilling to adhere to these standards should find other employment.
I think people need to be more aware of how they treat other people, whether they're intending to or not. They need to know that talking about people in that way is just never okay, no matter what.
Alicia did have the ultrasound at another Premier Diagnostics location, where she says she was treated with respect and learned that she and the baby are doing just fine. Cheryl Fiandaca, WBZ News.